Hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand. Algorand looks extremely good. Algorand has just broken out of an ascending triangle and it is currently retesting the support. Now we are going to see then if we continue that way to the upside or not, but it has attempted a breakout. We've seen the highest price since the 16th of September. No, actually the highest price since here back on the 13th of September. So yeah, it is really nice. You can see that well-defined ascending triangle. You've got an ascending trend line here. You've got a horizontal resistance line here. Today in a big move we broke out. I mentioned to the Telegram members yesterday that I think Algorand will go up fairly soon, because last time, in the last main pump here, I remember when I said, and this was very early days, and when I started the channel, somewhere down here, where I said, look, breakout is very imminent, and I think it was here. And then when we crossed above the 200-day moving average, this is really when it started, and it was like 3-4 weeks later than Cardano. And my justification this time was as well, look, Cardano has now started to move, so Algorand will follow at some point. And I think if you're interested in this project, and again, this is no financial advice at all, it's just what I would do, and you're not in there yet, then this is the time, because it won't get much cheaper in my view, and if this breakout is confirmed, it can move quickly. Algorand can move quickly. So Algorand has strong fundamentals as well, and I think it's a growing ecosystem. It's getting more popular, and what is also very important is that it hasn't really pumped yet. A lot of other cryptos have made new all-time highs. This one here has, since its first pump really, back in September, it hasn't really mooned anymore. So it has been in this consolidation, a bullish consolidation, most of the time above the 50-day moving average, most of the time above the 20 as well, especially most recently, and a ascending triangle. So bullish, really nice. And we are climbing up the fib levels here. We've come down, found support at the 0.5 fib level at 163. Then we've climbed up the ladder to the next fib level at 185. And now we've climbed or tried to get above the 0.214 at 217. We've come above that obviously, but now we're retracing. Looks like that retest is currently happening of that of that horizontal resistance now support line. So if we take a look on the 1 hour, you can actually see that probably very well. And overall, I can't tell you to buy or not to buy. This is not my job. I'm not allowed to, but if you think a project can change the world or is a very interesting project, go in, because if you wait too long, then you will, it's always the same thing. You will regret it when the price then shoots up. I know how the feeling is when you start here 190. I've been talking throughout here that I think the price will go up over the next few months. I've been saying it all along. And then you see these pumps, and then you think you miss out, and people FOMO in. And obviously now you can see how we are currently coming down here to that horizontal again. And I think we are going to get the support confirmed, because you can see the first green candle now here emerging as well. We've obviously closed above this ascending triangle now. We've closed above it, and the hourly, even the 4 hour will have closed above it. And now we're getting support here. So that's really good. We take a look at the fib levels, even that retracement was completely normal. We've come all the way up. We've found support perfectly at the golden pocket, the 0.618 at 205. So it couldn't be better. Now we just need to hold support. And I think we can hold support. We're still in the bullish range on the RSI. We're not overbought anymore. Here on the 1 hour, still have a buy signal on the MACD, on the 4 hour as well. We have come down from the overbought range, looking good. And you can see how clearly that fib level here, that is the 0.214 fib level at 217, how that provided resistance. You can clearly see it, how well the price adheres to these fib levels. And all of these things, this is the fib levels. This is just basically proof that technical analysis works. There's so many people who say TA doesn't work, but the fib levels alone, they confirm that TA works. You can use it to analyze the market. It's just one of these things, and I showed it to you last time as well. One of the the indicators for Bitcoin, that basically where you drop one extension level every bull market, that again is proof that TA works. So again, of course, together with on-chain metrics. But yeah, looking good here on the 4 hour anyway, not in overbought anymore. Buy signal on the 4 hour MACD and on the daily anyway. We have not, because we had consolidated so long, we haven't come into the overbought range yet. So in my view, if that retest is successful, we can move up quickly. Next target 217, and from then on we can actually address new all-time highs fairly quickly, I think. On the daily as well, we had a buy signal. I did mention it before, a bullish cross here on the MACD as well. Yeah, I think the chart is looking extremely good. It's a solid project. Yes, I don't think, you won't get like a 10x or 100x or so quickly. It just has too much market cap for that already, and it's not one of these, but it is a solid project with a solid team. They work on CBDCs with countries, and they're also involved in the El Salvador, in El Salvador, and support them with the blockchain or Bitcoin introduction, payment system and so on. So yeah, hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.